Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to adjust the skin tone of any image on Google Pixel mobiles. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to edit the skin tone. Here you can see a edit option on the bottom side of the image. Tap on the edit option and scroll toward right to reach the adjust option, and scroll toward right repeat to reach the skin tone option. Tap on the skin tone. Here you can decrease or increase the skin tone by swiping the toggle into towards left or right. Choose the perfect saturation for your skin and tap on the done option. Now the settings is saved. Tap on the save copy option on the bottom right corner to save the image into your phone gallery. By doing this, you can make your images more attractive and beautiful on Google Pixel mobiles. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.